Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I didn't report in a while, so that's kind of weird. So I'm gonna do this video right now about this. It's really cute, so let's unbox it together. So there is a ruler here. And let's see what's under this. You never know, maybe there's something. Nope, nothing. This box. Huh, what's this? Some kind of chain. Let's keep going. And stickers. Okay. These are other types of stickers. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. There is something. Oh, this is what the chain is about. So it's like a keychain. Well, this is an unboxing of these kawaii stickers and a ruler. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!